Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add text on image in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add text on image in Canva. When you are in Canva, select the size you want. For example, Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I will select YouTube thumbnail. After that, click upload and then upload file, and then just upload the image from your computer. I have this image. After that, just drag and drop. Okay, here you can resize the image. Okay, to add text, just click on the text icon, and after that, just select the text. For example, here, this one, add a heading, and here you can type, for example, okay, my car, and this is here, you can move it, and after that, here just you can adjust, for example, okay, for example, the color, text color, and here you can increase the size, here you can bold, and here you can change the font. Okay, for example, this one. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add text on image in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.